Check out some great discounts at Harbor Freight right now. Check out this half-inch breaker bar. They're 25 inches long. Pittsburgh, they usually go for $22. Right now, $16.99. This deal lasts till August 27th. There's also the ratchet extension. They usually go for $20, now $15. And the impact sockets, they usually go for $32. Now they're going for $25. Also, this flat tire kit for $5 is very good. And this oil filter wrench for $5 instead of $12 if you want to do your own oil changes. These 10-inch rubber wheels, this is the reason I came for. They're $7. They usually go for $11. So I'm getting these ones. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this type of video about tools that go on sale so you can build your arsenal. And those 10-inch rubber wheels I got because I'm building a backstop for target practice for my bow. So I might make a video of that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments. And let me know if you like this type of videos about tools so I could keep them coming. Alright guys, see you in the next one.